couple of the 100-meter contestants are back. We have got Little, James, Erickson, Smith, Shepherd, Walker, Morris, and the Speed for the first of the three semifinals. The 200 meters for Class 4 girls. The Class 3 girls will follow. Number 594. That's Safia Little of Immaculate Conception. She will be running out of lane 1. Her qualifying time coming in 26.96 seconds. The fastest qualifier here will actually run from lane 5. Amika Shepherd of Veer Technical. And she was 7th in the 100-meter final on Wednesday evening. We're just about getting ready then for the Class 4 girls and the 200 meters. That is Jaden James of St. Andrew High School. Starting off in lane 8, Donelia Speed of St. Jago. In lane 7, Shante Morris from Hydel. Lane 6, Amaria Walker from Woolmer's Girls. Lane 5, 7th in the 100-meter final, Amika Shepherd from Veertech, fastest time coming in 25.30. Lane 4, Lemora Smith from St. Mary High School. Lane 3, from Herbert Morrison, Chrysanthia Erickson. Lane 2, from St. Andrew High, it's Jaden James. And rounding out the lineup in lane 1 from Immaculate Conception, we've got Safia Little. Semi-final 1 of 3 for the Class 4 girls in the 200 meters.
Shepherd from Veer, fastest in this field.
Good day.
And she will run from lane 5.
Good day.
25.30 seconds, her qualifying time from the first round. And she campaigned in the 100-meter final. I told you, finished 7th on Wednesday evening here inside the National Stadium.
It's the top 2 that advance to the final automatically, plus the next 2 best times. So these girls will be aware of that, knowing that they need to run really fast, personal best, in order to secure an automatic spot in the final.
And the runners settle now for
set
the start. Off they go. Clean start it was. Middle of the pack. Mika Shepherd of Veer Technical. We look to her. Amaria Walker of Wilmer's Girls. Shepherd. Nice transition into the straightaway. She's in control. Amika Shepherd of Veer Technical. Coming up, we have got Lemora Smith of St. Mary High School. And from Hydel, Shante Morris. But Veer Tech's Amika Shepherd gets it in the final analysis. 24.98 seconds the flash time. Officially now 25.01. Morris second in 25.73. That's Shante Morris of Hydel. And in third in 25.64 goes to Smith. That's Lemora Smith from St. Mary High as we look back.
Another personal best effort from Shepherd to advance. She knew it was going to take a personal best, and it could take, and it did. 25.01 seconds. She comes into the straightaway in the lead, running ahead of the field, clear ahead of the field. She could have relaxed here, but this is Class 4. They're young. She's just running very competitive all the way to the line. And Heidel's Shante Morris, 25.73 seconds for second. There is Shepherd. Came in with the fastest time and gets the job done, taking semi-final 1. So she was 7th in the 100-meter finals, and now she'll get a chance to run in the 200-meter finals for Veer Technical.
And very determined there at the finish, ensuring she completes the assignment. And getting the job done in 25.01 seconds. Amika Shepherd of Veer Tech, Shante Morris 25.73, Lemora Smith 25.84 back in third. She sits on the bubble to wait